In today's video, we're going over the Acorns Spend debit card. I'll be showing you how you can use this card with your Acorns app to not only earn cash back, but how you can actually get started investing sooner with real-time roundups. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Eric of Everyday Investing, and on this channel we're all about helping the everyday investor like you and I get started saving and investing. Today we are going over the Acorns Spend debit card, guys. I did just receive this in the mail just the other day. Super excited. I've been waiting for this debit card from Acorns to arrive for months, so I was definitely happy to get it. Also guys, I do want to mention, if you happen to be new to the Acorns app and want to learn more about how to use it, definitely feel free to check out any of my other Acorns app tutorial videos. I'll link those videos down in the description box below as well. So the first thing, guys, when you get started with your Acorns debit card, when you receive it in the mail, you're going to want to first link it to your Acorns app. Alright, so I'm now going to briefly show you how to activate your Acorns debit card with your Acorns app once you receive it. So once you get your card, you're going to want to hop over into your Acorns app, go onto the home page and scroll down a little bit below to where it says Activate Card. Click on Activate Card. From there, it's going to say your Acorns card has arrived. You want to scroll down a little bit, just read the terms and conditions. Click on I have read and agreed, and click on Agree and Continue. Next here, it's going to ask you to verify the last 4 digits of your card with your Acorns app. And follow along, guys, here. My last 4 digits of my card are private. After this, you're then going to set up a PIN on your Acorns debit card. So go ahead and type in your PIN here. Alright, and from here, your Acorns Spend card has now been activated and it's ready to be used with the app. Here on the next page, it just goes over a couple brief features of the Acorns debit card. Firstly, that it's made of tungsten element, and I will agree, guys, I will confirm that the debit card definitely has a much more durable, solid feel in hand, definitely feels heavier, like a much more premium card. Next up, it says you can actually earn up to 10% local cash back. So I think this is definitely a cool feature with the Acorns debit card, because as you may already know, there is the Acorns Found Money portal, which is inside the Acorns app, and I did do a review on this as well. Basically, that Acorns Found Money portal lets you earn cash back at many online retailers, online merchants, but now it looks like with the actual Acorns debit card, the Acorns Spend card, you're going to be able to earn up to 10% local cash back at local restaurants, local venues, so that's definitely a nice add-on in addition to their online cashback portal. After that, it says you can earn real-time roundups, and I think, guys, that this is by far the coolest new feature with the Acorns Spend card. Not only the cash back at local places and online, which is already cool, but the fact that you can actually get started investing sooner from that roundup change. And if you don't know what that is, the Acorns app basically rounds up. If you link a card to your Acorns app, you can actually have it round up to the nearest dollar, and that excess change will be invested into your Acorns app. But pretty much throughout this whole time before the Acorns Spend card, when you did that with a regular debit card or credit card, any other card, it would take some time before the excess change was invested into your Acorns account. But now with the Acorns Spend card, it looks like it's going to be instant, real-time roundups. As soon as you make that purchase, the excess change will then be invested into your Acorns account. How cool is that, guys? After that, it says all digital banking, free or fee-reimbursed ATMs, easier direct deposit, Google Pay, and more coming soon. So this is a checking account, guys. This is a checking account to go along with the Acorns Spend card. You could definitely do your mobile banking here as well. It does say 24/7 customer support. They have a California-based team. I think Acorns is based in Irvine, California, actually, as far as I am aware. You can connect with them via chat, email, or phone, so that's pretty awesome. And lastly, it says that Acorns Spend is basically a checking account that helps you spend smarter. So let's get started. Let's click on the Get Started button. Great, your card is activated. Transfer money to your new Acorns Spend checking account so you can use your card. So if you'd like, you can transfer money now. That'll transfer from your linked bank account. You could transfer into your checking account. For now, I'm going to back out of there. So here we are now inside the actual Acorns checking account linked to your Acorns Spend debit card. This is the home page here of that checking account. As you can see, you could set up direct deposit, and it says automatically add your paychecks to your spend account. So you can get started there if you'd like to add direct deposit here. And a little beneath that, I did find this interesting area where it says how to get the most from your spend card. So let's click on that here. This will just go over a couple of the main features in the Acorns Spend card and how to get the most out of them. The firstly, like I said, guys, is real-time roundups. And this is a feature that is coming soon where, again, roundups from purchases made with your Acorns Spend card will be automatically invested into your Acorns account. You won't have to wait until your excess change hits $5 before it's invested, which basically means you can get started investing sooner from your everyday purchases. And the next feature, like I briefly touched on earlier, guys, is you can earn more found money. As I mentioned before, you can already earn cash back from several online retailers like Amazon, Walmart, places like that. But now with the Spend debit card, you can earn cash back at local restaurants and venues with using your Acorns Spend card. Do keep in mind, guys, you will have to use your Acorns Spend card to earn that local cashback, but you can use any debit or credit card to earn the online cashback with your Acorns Found Money program. But you will need to use the Acorns Spend debit card to earn that local cashback into your Acorns account. Beneath that, it does say that the Acorns Spend checking account has no fees, no overdraft fees, or minimum balance requirements, so that's great. You can get started saving with a very low balance because there's not a high balance requirement like many bank accounts have at larger banks. It says you also have access to unlimited free or fee reimbursed ATMs like I mentioned before, and pretty soon they're going to have an ATM finder to find the local free ATMs near you. After that, it says your Acorns Spend checking account does give you total protection. In case you're wondering, the spend account balance is FDIC insured up to $250,000. That's the same FDIC insurance you'll find at every major bank, such as Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America. And another cool feature worth mentioning with the Acorns Spend card is that you can actually, from inside the Acorns app, you can lock your card. If your card gets lost or stolen, inside the app you can actually lock this card, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second, guys. And like I said earlier, they do have 24/7 customer support. You can reach them by phone or by email. Now, if you scroll back up to the top here into your main checking account portal, I want to show you how you can actually lock this card in case you ever lose it or it gets stolen. So what you want to do is click on account details in here. As you can see, you can click on lock card right there. That'll lock the card. Let's do that right there. Lock. Please confirm you want to lock your card. If you click on lock, that'll lock your card. I'm not going to do that right now. You can also go in here to update the PIN on your card as well as set up direct deposit. But for now, let's back out of there. And like I mentioned earlier, they will have the ATM Finder feature coming soon, so you can find local free ATMs to use your Acorns Spend debit card with. And again, guys, if you want to find this section inside your account, you just want to back out to the main homepage, and this now should be under where it says Spend Smarter. So where it says Invest for Your Future, that's your investment account, your Acorns Core account. Where it says Spend Smarter, that is now your Acorns Spend checking account portal directly inside the app. So again, it's all found nicely condensed on the homepage of the Acorns app. So one of the last points I want to touch on with the Acorns debit card is how does it stack up to the Stash Invest debit card? Because I think both of these debit cards offer a lot of value. First of all, if you happen to be a user of the Stash app or the Acorns app, there's really no reason not to get them. They also both allow you to earn cash back from local retailers, local restaurants, local merchants. Now, in terms of mobile banking, both of them offer you basically no fee banking, free checking, and no minimum balance requirements. In terms of mobile banking though, I will give the slight edge to the Stash Invest debit card. They do currently have a lot of features already set up and ready to go, while many of those features are still to come on the Acorns checking account. Now, one area where I will give the edge to the Acorns debit card and the Acorns checking account is that they do currently allow you to earn cash back from many online retailers where Stash Invest debit card doesn't currently allow that, but they will be adding that feature in the near future, Stash did say. So if you would like to learn more about the Stash Invest debit card and see how it compares to the Acorns Spend card, definitely feel free to check out my more in-depth review of the Stash card. I'll link up that video up in the top right there as well as down below in the description. So what are my overall thoughts on the Acorns Spend debit card, and do I think that it makes sense? Well, I definitely think it makes sense if you're already an Acorns user, and it does allow you to earn a lot more cash back from local retailers, whereas before with your Acorns app, you can only earn cash back from online retailers. Secondly, I really love, and probably my favorite feature of the Acorns Spend debit card is the fact that they're going to be soon bringing real-time roundups. I'm really looking forward to that. Really looking forward to real-time roundups invested into my Acorns account. Get that money, get that cash back, start investing for me sooner rather than later. So let me know what your overall thoughts are on the Acorns Spend debit card. Is it a card you could see yourself getting? Is it a card you could see yourself using with your Acorns app? And of course, as always, if you have any questions on the Acorns Spend debit card or the Acorns app in general, definitely feel free to leave your questions down below in the comments. I'm always happy to connect with you guys down there. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.